Hello there. Today I'm excited to tell you about something called ENS, or Ethereum Name Service. Don't worry if you're new to all this, I'll keep it simple. First, let's talk about the internet we use every day. Recently, there have been some big cyber attacks that have shut down important websites and services. This has many business owners worried about security. That's where ENS comes in. ENS is built on something called Ethereum, which is like a super secure, decentralized version of the internet. It's not controlled by any one company or government, which makes it much harder to hack or shut down. So what does ENS do? Well, imagine if your email address could also be your website, your digital ID, and even your bank account all rolled into one. That's kind of what ENS does in this new secure internet world. For businesses, ENS offers some cool features. Security. Transactions using ENS are much more secure than traditional methods. This means businesses can sell products and build a customer base without worrying about global cyber attacks. Easy to remember names. Instead of long, confusing web addresses or account numbers, businesses can use simple names like mybusiness.eth. Subdomains. This is a fancy word for a feature that's really useful for companies. With ENS, a business could create special access for their community or customers. For example, gold.mybusiness.eth could be for top customers, giving them exclusive perks or content. Community building. These subdomains can help businesses create closer connections with their customers, building a strong, engaged community. So what exactly is ENS? Well, at its core, ENS is a decentralized naming system built on the Ethereum blockchain. But don't let that technical description fool you. It's actually a powerful tool that's making the complex world of Web3 much more user-friendly. Now, you might have heard that ENS allows you to replace those long, confusing wallet addresses with simple names like johndoe.eth. And that's true. But here's the exciting part. ENS is so much more than just a way to name your cryptocurrency wallet. Think of ENS as your digital identity for the decentralized web. It's like your all-in-one digital business card, website, and mailbox. With an ENS domain, you can host entire websites, use it as a decentralized email address, link all your social media profiles, and even manage your digital assets like NFTs and tokens. Pretty cool, right? But here's where it gets really interesting. ENS isn't just for individuals. It's set to become the cornerstone of business development in the Web3 era. Let me explain why. First, companies can use ENS to protect their brand names in the decentralized space. It's like registering a domain name, but for the blockchain world. Second, ENS makes transactions much simpler. Imagine a business being able to receive payments using an easy-to-remember name instead of a complex wallet address. It's a game changer for a customer experience. Third, businesses can host their entire company websites on the blockchain using ENS. This means more security and less reliance on traditional web hosting services. Fourth, ENS can serve as a verifiable, blockchain-based identity for both businesses and individuals. In a world where digital trust is increasingly important, this is huge. Lastly, as Web3 continues to grow, ENS is likely to become the standard for how we identify and interact across different platforms and services. So, to wrap things up, ENS is not just a naming service. It's a fundamental building block of the decentralized internet. By providing a user-friendly layer on top of complex blockchain technology, ENS is making Web3 more accessible and functional for everyone. Whether you're just starting to explore Web3 or you're a business looking to establish your presence in the decentralized world, ENS is definitely a technology you'll want to keep an eye on. It's not just the future of digital identity, it's the future of how we'll interact in the digital world. Thanks for listening. I hope this introduction to ENS has sparked your curiosity about the exciting possibilities of Web3. Remember, the decentralized future is being built right now, and ENS is helping to pave the way.